This is my third time eating at this restaurant, guys. Yunhua, located here at the second floor of Blue Star Hotel and Casino. Yeah, the food are great, delicious, and affordable. My friend Danish, Mick, is really enjoying the food, and also Han JB. He is the one who recommended us here to eat. Di ka magsisisi, guys. It's really delicious and affordable. And it's a budget friendly actually. Yeah, we order only two kinds of food, like the beef and the pork, but it goes with lots of side dishes, guys. Side dishes pa lang, guys, mabubusog ka na. Sobrang dami. So yeah, a must visit restaurant here at the New Star Hotel named Yunhua. Yunhua. Yeah, that one is the beef something, and they will cook in front of you. And that one is an egg. Yeah, balding. And the one is the pork. And after cooking the beef, yun na po yung itsura niya, guys.